we know that we'll use the same formula for finding all three. Let's start with quartile 1. Quartile 1, the percentage of interest is 25%. So in our formula, L sub P will be L sub 25 is equal to N plus 1. There are 11 observations here. So we've got 11 plus 1 times, again, our P is 25 over 100. So the location of the 25th percentile, or quartile 1, is at 12 times 0.25, or at 3. Okay. So now again, that is the location of the first quartile. Now, in order to find the actual piece of data, we go back to our raw data, and we're going to count to the third location, the first, the second, the third. So quartile 1 actually falls at 26, or observation 26. Okay? The second one asks us to find quartile 3. So all we need to do within our formula then is change to a percentage of interest of 75. Which is easier to do with a whiteboard than a pencil. If we follow through with that math, you'll see that the location that we're interested in is 9. So quartile 3, if we should count across, would be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At 98, is that right? Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, at 98. And then the median, the last one, rather than write it out, we'll quickly do it in our head. That would be at a percentage of 50%. We would have 12 times 0.5, which would be 6, which would land us at 72. If you were to do the median the old-fashioned way, as we had done in class, not the old-fashioned way, but the other approach to finding the median. I think I'm missing a piece of data. Let me check here. I'm missing a piece of data on here. No wonder it didn't feel like my last observation should have been at 102. Let's go ahead and add an observation of 104 to that. That'll mean all of our previous answers were correct. If you go through again now and look, you'll see that with all 11 observations listed there, the median would in fact fall at 72. Okay, now just for fun, I'd like to share with you that the quartile, the percentile, or the decile may not be an actual value in the data set, just like median. We've solved so far where we've landed on a whole number and we've been able to count to every time. Let's this time solve for, let's just choose a decile of 80, or 8, pardon me, a decile of 8. A decile of 8 would be a percentage of interest of 80%. So I'll plug that into my formula. L sub 80 equals 11 plus 1 times 80 over 100. That would give me 12 times 0.8. Grab my calculator. I find that that is 9.60. 9.60.